Hello and welcome to the second tutorial in a Spring Boot course. So in this tutorial we are going to create and run a sample Spring Boot application. It will include Spring Security with MySQL database and a theme lead as a template engine. Okay, so you can directly go to this URL and check the study material available for the Spring Boot tutorial, this course that we are going to see. So let's see how to create and run a Spring Boot application. So for this, the first thing is you have to generate the sample project from start.spring.io. In this website there are a lot of configuration that you can add into your Spring Boot application. So this is the site where we will go and generate a sample project. Then the second thing will be import the project into Eclipse. We'll import this downloaded project from this site into our Eclipse. Then we'll perform some required configurations and then we'll compile and run the project on Tomcat server, and then we will check the login screen on the browser. That is the basic sample application. Okay, so let's see. Then just open your favorite browser and open start.spring.io. okay, it will look like this, and you have to keep the default values for Maven project because we are using Maven with the Java and Spring Boot 2.0.4. so that may be changed in your case, but that's okay. So the first thing is we are looking is a project metadata. So we will update this project metadata as per our need. So I'll put com.vibe and cyclo, and the artifact name is a demo. Second thing that we are going to do is we are going to switch to full version. Okay, so click here. Perfect. So the name will be demo, and we'll keep packaging as a war. This is the important step that we are going to do here. We'll keep the Java version as 8 because we have the version 8 installed in our system. The second thing that we are going to do is check security, because we are going to add the Spring Security core. Then it will be a web application, so we are going to add Spring MVC and embedded Tomcat. Then you need to scroll down. And third one will be Limp. It is most popular template engine that we are going to use. Then fourth one will be JPA because we want to use Hibernate further in our project. Then MySQL because we are going to use a MySQL database. You can see lot of configuration options here that you can use, like Cassandra, Solar and all. But for now we are going to keep our project simple. Just scroll down and click on the generate project. The project will be downloaded. Okay, the project has been downloaded. Now you can just go and check your downloads directory. Go to this and just open the downloads folder. You will see demo.zip. Now what you can do is you can right click and you can extract this here. Okay, perfect. So this is the demo project that we are going to use. We have completed the first thing. Sample project has been generated from .spring.io. Now next thing will be put the project into Eclipse. Let's see how we can do that. Okay, you can see here the demo project that we have extracted. So just right click, go to desktop, and here is the workspace for Eclipse. So you can just go right click and paste. Now open Eclipse. It will ask for the workspace. Our workspace is C, the default directory that we have already used as a workspace in our first video launch. Okay, the Eclipse is open. You can close this welcome screen. Now we need to import the project. So just go to file, then click on import. Now we need to import a Maven project. Click on existing Maven project. Click next. So select the root directory. Just go to desktop, then workspace, and select the demo folder that we have pasted there in a workspace folder. Perfect. Now finish. This is saying importing Maven project. It will take some time to import. So we have completed the second step. Project has been imported into Eclipse. Now third step will be perform required configurations. Let's see what are the configurations that we are required to perform. Okay, the project has been successfully imported, so we can just go and expand the demo project. Then we can open the pom.xml by double clicking the file. Okay, you can see here the packaging is war. So the first thing that we will do here is we will right click deployment descriptor and click on generate deployment descriptor stub. Okay, this will create a web.xml file inside webINF folder. Okay, this is the first thing. The second thing will be we have to add a data source detail, that is our application should be able to connect with the database. So this will be under Java resources, then resources, and then application properties. So double click this file, it will be opened, and you need to add the data source details and save. So these details will be the data source URL, database username, database password, and a data source driver class name, that is MySQL JDBC driver. So demo is the database that I have already created in MySQL. Okay, so this is the second thing that we have done. Then you can go to run and then click on run configurations. So here click on Maven build and then click on new launch configuration. So name this configuration as run demo project. Select the base directory. So demo is the base directory. Then goal will be bring put colon run, as we are going to run this project, and we will add a parameter that will be server dot port, and the value will be 8888. This port number is the port number on which we are going to start the tomcat. Okay, so apply and run. Okay, the demo application has been started successfully. Now we can access this in our browser. Just go to your browser, type localhost colon 8888. Okay, this is the interface that you will see. So you can just try with some random username and a random password and click on login. It will say login attempt was not successful because by default the password is this password that is printed on our console here. So type user and paste the password from the console and then click login. Yes, perfect. This is the 404 error because there is no any mapping for the page, but we have successfully created a Spring Boot application and successfully run the application. Okay. Sometimes you may find an build failure issue because there is no JDK in a build path. So this is the issue. No compiler is provided in this environment. Perhaps you are running JRE rather than a JDK. So how can you solve this problem? So you can go to Windows, then Preferences, and then type here install JREs. Okay, click on this. This will open an install JRE. Then you will need to add standard VM, then next, and select the JRE home. Just go to, I'll expand this a bit, C drive, then program files, Java, and then JDK. And this, there will be two folders, JRE and a JDK. You have to select the JDK folder and then hit finish. And now you have to check this JDK box, then apply and close. So this way you can solve the issue stating no compiler is provided in this environment. And then you can just go to demo project, right click and Maven, and then update project and click on OK button, and then you can go to run demo project again and it will run the project without any issue. The thing that is required here is database. So here is my MySQL database. So I have created a database named demo that we have used in a project. So you already need a demo project created in a MySQL to make this configuration work. In the next video, we are going to create a user login and registration, and we will also create a table for user detail, for storing the user detail. Thank you. Have a great day.